So in our today's class, I'm going to discuss avial rotation. In previous class, we talk about what is meant by avial tree. Why should we learn avial tree? So there is a small drawback in binary search tree. That is, the height of the tree is increasing rapidly when when you add new elements into the tree. Okay, so that's why avial came into picture in this concept. In this avial tree, we are going to concentrate on how to balance the tree, how to balance the height of the tree actually. Okay, so for balancing the height of the tree, in case of AVL, so what are the different types of rotations we have to do? So with the help of these rotations, we are going to balance the height of the tree. So what are the possibility values for balancing? When we can say that the tree is balanced whenever the height of the tree is 0, +1, -1. If these three numbers are came of height of the tree, then we can simply say that the tree is balanced. Instead of that, if we are getting any number, then we can conclude that the tree is imbalance. So whenever the tree is imbalanced, we have to do rotations. What are the rotations? How many types of rotations? Okay, that thing we are going to discuss in today's session. Okay, so there are basically four types of rotations are there. So why should we use these rotations? Means to balance the tree, to balance the binary search tree. Here I'm saying AVL, but here I'm saying binary search tree. Why? Because the AVL tree is following the rules same like a binary search tree. What is the two rules we are following in binary search tree? So all the elements present at the right side must be greater than the root node. Must be greater than the root node. That is the first one. And the second one is all the elements which are present at the left side should be less than the root node. This is the two rules going to follow even in AVL tree. Okay, fine. Now, what are the different types of rotations? Let us discuss each one with example. One thing is LL rotation, next RR rotation, LR rotation, and then RL rotation. Here R indicates as a right, L indicates as a left. So LL rotation means left left rotation. RR means right right rotation. LR means left right rotation. RL means right left rotations. So when I say the example, then easily you can understand what's happening here, what you will do when you have to do which when you have to follow these um, types of rotation. Let's start the first rotation, that is LL rotation. So LL rotation is we can say that left child, left heavy. LL means left child, left heavy. So left side, the nodes are more. Okay, that's why left heavy. Left side, left childs are more. That then we can perform the LL rotation. Okay, now so look at this picture. So what I'm saying here, balance factor of parent is -2 and the left child is -1. Actually, what is the number we have to get as the height of the tree? Either 0, 1 or -1. Instead of getting those three numbers, then we have to do the rotations. Okay, let us see this example. How how we are checking the height of the tree, how balance of the tree. Okay, so here if you take 10, there is no left child, there is no right child. Yeah, what is the formula for finding the height of the tree, height of the tree or a height of the node? So I mean uh, left subtree minus height of the right subtree minus height of the left subtree. Here there are no right child and no left child. So there are no right child, no. So that's why 0. There are no left child, so 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So we got the 0 here. Okay, we got the 0 at node 10. Okay, at node 10. So here no problem. Now when come to the finding the height of the node 20, then what will happen means, see here, there is no right child, means it is 0 minus right subtree minus next how what about the left subtree? Only one node is there, so 0 minus 1. What is the value 0 minus 1? Here we are getting the minus 1 is the height of the node 20. Now here also no problem, because we have to get only three numbers, so like a 0, okay, either 0 or 1 or minus 1. Instead of these three numbers, if we get any other number, then simply we can say that the tree is imbalance. Now here it is balanced because we got the 0, and here we got minus 1. Yes, of course it is a balanced one. Now what is the height of the node 30? Is there any childs at right side of 30? No. So there is no child. So that's why here 0 is the height of the right subtree. Now, what is the height of the left subtree here? How many nodes are present left side of the 30? 1 and 2. So 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. What is the value for this 0 minus 2? We got the minus 2. So whenever we are getting minus 2 plus 2, whatever it is, eh, instead of getting these three numbers, we got the minus 2 here. It means what we can conclude here? So what we can conclude, this tree, okay, is imbalanced one. This tree is imbalanced one because we got the height of the tree is a minus 2. That's why it is a imbalanced tree. Now if it is imbalanced tree, we have to do the rotations. So which rotation we have to do? Which rotation we have? We have a four rotations. Which rotation we have to select for balancing this imbalanced tree means LL rotation. Why we are choosing LL rotation? Because if you observe this tree, which side the nodes are more? Here, left part, left child, left heavy. So left side is left side only, the more childs, more nodes are present. That's why we choose LL rotation. LL rotation. See now, so if it is in the form, if it is the picture is in the form like this, then what should we do to become a balance? To become a balance, see what we have to do to become a balanced tree means single right rotation is required. Now, so this is the problem actually. It is a what is the problem here? LL means left side have more nodes are present. So that's why it is a imbalanced one. Now we want to get it into balanced tree. So what should we do if it want to balance one means right rotation is required. Single right rotation is required. When we do single right rotation means like this. See, right rotation means right side. Which one right side? Like this. Right side we have to rotate the tree. So at that time what will happen means so left child becomes as a parent. Left child, what is the left child here? This is the left child, sorry, This is the left child, first left child. So 20 is the left child, no. Now it will become as a parent. Now parent become the right child. Parent means now 30 is the parent actually. Now it will become as a right child. Let's look at the resultant tree. See here. What I said, single right rotation. Right rotation means right side the nodes has to move. Right side the nodes has to move. Okay, so at that time what will happen means this parent node value is 30. So 30 will become as a right child. Okay, left child, what is the left child here? 20. Okay, 20 will be become as a parent. Now this is the resultant tree. Now let's check the balance factor here. So here there is no left child, no right child. That's why the height of the balance factor is 0. Even if you take 30 balance factor, there is no left child, there is no right child. That's why the balance factor is 0 here. Now what about 20? Okay, here one right child is there and one left child is there. How many right child is there? One. Okay, so one minus. Okay, one minus. How many left childs are there? Again, one only. So one minus one is 0. What is the balance factor we got? 0. So we got all the nodes having the balance factor is equal to 0. So now we can say that it is a, so what it is a, the resultant tree is a balanced tree. The resultant tree is a balanced. In previous, what is the balance factor? We got -2. Now what is the factor? We got 0. Okay, so we got a 0. So we can say that the tree, the resultant tree is a balanced one. Okay, now this is just a pictorial representation for LL rotation. When the problem is like this, LL rotation, then what should we do? We have to do right, single right rotation. Single right rotation when the tree is having this one LL rotation, I mean LL problem, then we have to do single right rotation. This is what just now I explained. This is just resultant tree. So this is the imbalanced one. Why imbalanced one? Because the balance factor of a node 40 is 0 -2 -2 here. So -2. So we should not get the -2 as the -2 as the balance factor. That's why what should we do? Single right rotation. When we do single right rotation, means node has to move right side. Node has to move right side. Okay, at that time what we will get? Parent node will become as a right node. Left child is 30 will become as a, what is this, parent node. So now if you calculate the balance factor, we will get the 0. Okay, so we balances the tree. So the main concept of AVL tree is we are converting imbalanced tree into balanced tree. Why? Because whenever you want to, when you want to perform either insertion or a search or deletion operation, if the tree is very lengthy, then it will take too many moves to reach the particular place. Okay, if you want to search any element, if the tree is very big, it will take much time. That's where the concept rotations came into picture. Okay, this is the first method. Now look at the second one. What is this one? RR rotation. RR rotation means right child, right heavy. Right side the nodes are more. Okay, right child, right heavy. So this is the RR rotation. When RR rotation came, then what should we move? Which side we have to move? Let's check here. Okay, so balance factor of parent is -2. Whenever you are taking the RR rotation, how you can find means RR rotation means the balance factor is equal to -2. Okay, and the child is plus 1. Let's check how it will be, how it came. Okay, so here, so this is the tree. Actually it is a imbalanced tree. How can we say that it is a imbalanced tree? And what rotation it is? RR rotation. Because if you observe, all the nodes are present at right side, and all the nodes are right child only. Okay, 50 is the right child of 40, 40 is the right child of 30. That's why right child, right side heavy. That is what RR. Okay. Now, what is the balance factor of 50? There is no right node, left. There is no left node. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So it is, there is no problem. Now, when comes to the 40, so here one right child is there. So 1 minus, there is no left child. So 1 minus 0 is 1 only. So here also there is no problem. But when come to the balance factor of 30, okay, how many nodes, right nodes for 30? Two nodes, 1 2, so 2. So how many right nodes? 2 minus how many left nodes? There are no left nodes. So what should we have to take? 0. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So what is the balance factor? Actually we have to get either 0, 1, plus 1, and then minus 1. Instead of that, if we get any number, then we can simply say that it is imbalanced tree. Now this tree is a imbalanced one. Now it's our duty to make it a imbalanced to balanced tree. How to do? Same like a previous one, just opposite that one. What should we do here? Left rotation. Whenever the tree RR having RR, RR rotation, then we have to do single left rotation. Why we have to do single left rotation? Then it will, the imbalanced one become as a balanced tree. So what it will become? What is the 40? We can say that it is a right node. Right node will become as a parent. See here, right node become as a parent. Now where 30 goes? 30 goes left side. Why? Because if 40 is the root node, 30 is the lesser value of 40. That's why it is become as a left child. Okay, so that is the sentence here. That is the line here I wrote. Right node becomes parent. Right node means 40 becomes as a parent. Now 30 will becomes as a left child. So if we did this one, this is called as a left rotation. Single time we are moving. That's why single left rotation. Now let's look at the picture here. RR rotation. So this is the problem. So if RR having a right child is right heavy, if this is the tree, then we can say that it is a imbalanced one. Now we have to move. Which side we have to move? That is very very important. I mean, which side of nodes we are going to move? That is very very important. So actually, how we are saying it is imbalanced one here? RR is there. RR means right side, right child, right side, right heavy is there. So we can say that it is a imbalanced one. Now to make it as a balance, what should we do? Single left rotation. Single left rotation. When the nodes are present right side, do opposite operation. What is the opposite operation? Left rotation. That, like that you have to remember. If all the nodes are present at left side, what is the answer? Do right rotation. Here all the nodes are present at left side, so you have to do left rotation. Now if you do left rotation, what will become? 30 here, 30, whatever the node, what is this, right node will become as a root node. So that's why 30 is the root node. Now already 20 is the parent node. Now it will become as a left child. Why it is like become as a left child? Because when 30 will become as a root node, 20 is the less than the 20, less than the 30. When less than the root node, then where we have to place? At left side only. Now 40 is the right child. Now if you find the balance factor of this tree, it will equal to 0. Why? Because how many right child? 1. How many left child? 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 is the balance factor of node 30. Like that you have to find. Now this tree is a balanced tree. So this is the second type of rotation. Now let's check the third one. Now here third rotation is LR rotation. LR means left child right heavy, means left child right heavy. At that time the balance factor is equal to -2. Okay, the balance factor of a parent is -2 and the balance factor of child is +1. So whenever you are getting +2 and the -2 and the +1, then simply you can say that the tree is in LR rotation. Whenever it is in LR rotation, what should we do? So LR rotation means this one. LR rotation. LR rotation means what are the balance factors we have to get? -2 and the +1. -2 and the +1. Okay. So how we are getting here? Let's check. So how we get the -2 and +1? See, first we have to find the balance factor of 20. There is no right child, there is no left child. So the balance factor of 20 is 0. Fine. Now you have to calculate balance factor for 10. How many right child? 1. 1 minus, here there is no left child. 1 minus 0 is 1, +1. We got +1. Okay, fine. Next, balance factor of 30. So here, is there any nodes present at the right side of the root node? No. No means it is equal to 0. There is no root right nodes. Now, how many nodes are present at the left side of the root node? 2. 1, 2. Now, 0 minus 2 is -2 is equal to -2. So we got the -2. So whenever we got the -2 or +2, then we can simply say that the tree is in imbalanced tree. So when the tree is imbalanced tree, what should we do? So we have to do double rotation is required. So whenever we got -2 for the parent, +1 for the child, okay, then we have to do double rotation. So what is that double rotation? So means 2 times we have to rotate. So how we have to do rotations means first single left rotation. Single left rotation. Left side we have to move. Okay, after moving left side, next we have to move right rotation, then we can make it this imbalance to balanced. Let's look at the picture first. So this is the LR rotation, right? What is mean by LR rotation? Left child right heavy, means right side only all the nodes are present. So if you observe the sorry, so left child, left, one second. Yeah, left child is right heavy. So this is the right side heavy. So because 20 is here, that's why right is heavy. And to whom it is heavy? For 10. 10 is the left child. Left child right heavy. Like that we are saying L R. Okay, so see here. So if the tree is like this, so what is the solution to make it as a balanced one? So what is the solution? First, we have to do left rotation. LR means first left rotation. Next, R means right rotation. Left rotation in the sense left side means left side the nodes has to move. Okay, left side. L rotation means left rotation means listen carefully. Left side nodes has to move. Okay, now 20 is the right node. Now it has to move left side. Move to the left side. Move to the left side means it will come here. In place of 10 it will come. Now where 20 goes, 20 is the smaller than that. 10 is the smaller than the 20. That's why it will become as a left child of 20. Now the next tree is this one. Even though if you take this picture also, it is like a imbalanced one. Why? Because the I mean balance factor of 30 it will become as a 0 minus 2, that is minus 2 we will get. Still we have to do it as a balanced one. How? So what is the next one? Left rotation over. Next we have to do right rotation. Right rotation means nodes has to move right side. Nodes has to move right side means 20 will become as a root node. So see here. Now where 30 goes, 30 is the greater of 20. That's why it is placed into right side. Now 10 is same place, left side. Now look, check the now check the balance factor of this subtree. So see 0 here, right tree, one right node, one left node. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 is the balance factor. So like this, if LR rotation, how to do LR rotation means like this. We are left rotation, first left rotation, next right rotation. Same like RL. RL means first we have to do right rotation, then after left rotation. What should we call RL rotation? Means right child left heavy. Means what it means when we have to do RL rotation means right child left heavy. Then at that time we have to do this one RL rotation. So what is the balance factor when we have to do RL means? So the parent has plus 2 and the child has minus 1. In previous, the parent has minus 2, child has plus 1. Opposite of that one is RL rotation. Now this is the imbalanced tree. Okay, so how it is imbalanced tree? Let's check one more time. Here there is no right node. That's why 0. Okay, the next 0 minus. So how many nodes are present at the right side? Sorry, left side. Only one node. So 0 minus 1. What is the value? Minus 1. Now minus 1 is the balance factor of node 70. Now we have to calculate for 50. How many nodes present at right side? Two nodes. 1, 2. Okay. So 2. 2 minus. So right subtree factor is 2. How many nodes present at the left side? There is no node present at the left side. So 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2 only. So whenever we got 2 plus 2 or minus 2, then what we can say that the tree is imbalanced one. When it is an imbalanced one, we have to do make it as a balance. How to do balanced one? We have to do double rotation. Double rotation means two times we have to rotate. How to rotate? First, first what? Which side we have to rotate? Right side we have to rotate. Next, which side we have to rotate? Left side. That's why it is a RL rotation. Let's see the example. So first RL rotation means right side Next, left side. Now look at this picture. So this is the imbalanced tree. Now first, which side, which rotation we have to do? Right rotation. Right rotation in the sense what? Nodes has to move right side. Okay, nodes has to move right side. So right side the nodes has to move, that is the first step. Here which one, 40 is present at the left node, right? It has to move to right side. When it move to right means when it goes right rotation means it goes up. So 40 comes here. Where 50 goes? 50 is the right side of the 40. Why? Because 50 is the greater than the 40. That's why it is placed at this side, right side. Now, so right rotation over. Next, left rotation. Left rotation means left side nodes has to move. Left side nodes has to move. That is the important point. Left side move. Left side move means 40 will become here, will comes here. 30 goes just left side rotate like this. So now the resultant tree is looks like this. Now if you calculate, the balance factor of 40 is equal to 0. So these are the four types of rotations: L rotation, R rotation, LR rotation, RR rotation. So this is the fact. These are the four types of balance. Uh, I mean rotations to make it as a imbalance to balance tree.